Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my sandwich bags and freezer bags using this cool kitchen gadget. Here's a tool that I found. It's made of bamboo, and as you can see, it can stand up by itself, and you can organize your pantry and your kitchen using this organizer. So I'm gonna start with foil. So I have this foil here. It's almost gone, but I just want to show you how to put this in. Just slide it right in, and it locks. It actually just locks in the sides of the, so it won't come out. And then we got here for plastic. I'm gonna use parchment paper. I don't have a plastic, but I'm gonna try to show you how to put my parchment paper in there. So for example, you want to take out something, you use this. This is pretty convenient to have it just cuts your parchment paper, your plastic really nicely. So that's for that. And then I have here some sandwich bags, which I'm gonna put inside this compartment. So this is 100-count sandwich bag. So you're just gonna insert it like so. Just fits right in. So put your sandwich bag there. I don't have a snack bag, but I have another extra sandwich bag. So I'm gonna just pull it right out and slide it right in. So it fits perfectly in there. There's like a few pieces here that are stuck. So I'm just gonna, you can insert it in the corner. So we got quarts. I don't have a gallon bag, but I have another quart freezer bags, which I'm gonna put in the gallon slot. So let's pull it out. I'm just gonna slide this. This is pretty thick, so I don't know if it's gonna go all the way in, but there you go. So if you now you got your, so now I got all my baggies organized. I can put it like this. You can stand it up, the kitchen counter, or you can also hang this thing. There's some holes in here which you can screw and hang it on your wall. So that is my video for today. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.